Hello. Transform 180 with digital product marketing. Listen, today I was just talking about working a 9 to 5 and going to college, getting certifications. Y'all know how important certifications are nowadays, but I was just thinking about the security that you have when you have skills. When you have skills that can translate over to money, skills that can translate over to a service, skills that can translate over to a business, skills that can translate over to freelancing, skills that can convert over to coaching, skills that can convert over to consulting, skills that just convert. And so when I was thrust out here into social media, into the digital world, after my position was eliminated in November 2023, I needed to spruce up and learn some new skills really, really fast. My social media skills on a scale of 1 to 10 at that time, I would say probably was a 4. And so now I would say a strong 9. And so every day I work on my skills, my social media skills. I work on them daily because digital marketing skills alone is a sought after skill. It's a highly valued skill. It's a high valued skill. And it is definitely skills that not only employers are looking for, but people on social media are looking for if they need help with marketing their content or marketing their services or even just learning how to market because we have so many platforms, most of which are free. Some of them we have to pay for, but every single platform is different. TikTok is different than Instagram. Facebook is different than YouTube. Pinterest is different than like Meetup. Then you have X. So we have, and then I'm sure that we have what the lemon one that's new out here. We got the Snapchat. There's so many platforms. There's new ones that are coming out. There's so many places where you can market your business and make money on or money from. And so having digital marketing skills is so vitally important. It is one skill that I will say that I am so happy that I got into. I'm so happy that I purchased a digital marketing course to teach me digital marketing. I'm so happy that I can go to it on a daily basis to learn whatever I need to learn. And plus, I can earn from selling that course to other people so that they can learn digital marketing and earn from it and start a business selling the course because selling the course is a business because you have to market the course. So you learn how to market the course that you bought to learn from. So it's an earn and learn course. And on top of that, it is a plug and go um, course. So it's very easy to get started. There's not a whole lot that you have to do. You literally are plugging it in, and then there are things that you have to do, but there's not a lot of things. And the things that you do have to do, you want to learn how to do those things because one aspect of business could for you could be purchasing this course could be setting up some of your customers' systems for them. That is an added cost that you can charge. So that's another layer or another stream that you can add on to for your services. And then even if there's anyone in our community that doesn't want to do that, that is something that you could possibly connect with someone and say, they can hire me to do it because that is what I do. So there's so many angles to digital marketing. Gosh, there's so many angles. There's so many different things that you can do with digital marketing. So the security through skills. So having skills is very, very, very secure. Some people have lost their jobs, or some people are firing their jobs, or some people are wanting to add on additional streams of income to their current role or into their households. And so the beautiful thing about doing that is that you can take skills that you already have and translate those skills into a business. And then having this digital marketing course will be able to equip you to be able to market your new business that you're launching from the skills that you have that I'm sure are needed out here in these social media streets. So there's so many options. There's so many wonderful things about being in the digital world. There's so many wonderful things. It's almost like the possibilities are kind of endless, especially now that we have so many AI tools. The possibilities are pretty much endless. There's so many different jobs that you can create and be your own boss, be the CEO of your own business and be the CFO. Who don't want to be the chief financial officer of their own business? But there's so many things that you can do. There's so much money out here to be made. There's longevity out here. There is you know, you can really build your own digital real estate. I feel like digital real estate is extremely important, which is why I choose to be on YouTube because I have my own channels and I am building real estate. I am building information. I'm building data. I'm building a place where people can come and get information from me. And even start their own business. I am here to help you start your own business. I'm Coach TamaraDarice, by the way. I have a business called Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing. I purchased my digital marketing course from a wonderful person. She's my mentor. She's been in the digital space for over 17 years, and it's called DPU Community. So it is a turnkey business, and it has a community that is amazing. Our community meets once a week, and every time we meet, I'm telling you, I'm leaving there smarter, I'm leaving there wiser, I'm leaving there with more skills, I'm leaving there with content ideas, I'm leaving there because I'm getting master level information because she would be considered a tenured person in this digital space. So, also with this course for $500, you are going to get a one-on-one business strategy coaching session with me. And I'm telling you, it is worth. I think on my website it's on sale for $50, regular 75, but it should be regular $100 because it's 30 minutes and I'm literally giving you an entire business strategy. So that is something that comes with you purchasing this from me. And when you go to my website, because I know you're going to go to my website to find out more, but I have some bonuses that could literally blow your mind. One of the bonus that I have, it includes over 20 streams of income. So not only can you sell this digital marketing course, but I'm setting you up to be able to sell some other products through your store that you're going to set up to get your business going. I am Coach TamaraDarice. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you to add more streams of income to your household. So head over to my site. The links are down here. My store is TamaraDarice, TamaraDarice. DARICE dot system, SYSTEME So it's TamaraDarice dot system, SYSTEME dot IO. And then if you just want to go, that'll take you over to my store. And you'll also see the link for Transform 180 with digital product marketing. So everything is at the store. If you click on the Transform 180 with digital product marketing, it'll take you where you need to go. Also, I have a freebie out there. It's called the Elite Guide to Digital Marketing. So if you're on here, you're like, what's she talking about? This elite guy will tell you some of the things that I'm talking about. So really, you need to have a marketing system in place. When you think about Kroger, when you think about Publix, when you think about Macy's, when you think of, I could keep wanting to say Yonkers. Are they still in? I don't even know if they're still around, but when you think about Neiman Marcus or a lot of these stores, a cosmetic store, you think about Ulta, once they get a hold of your email address or your telephone number, they are going to reach out to you and let you know that they're running a special, or they have the newest thing out, or or they that or they're just launching something. They're going to let you know via email or via text. So that is why you need systems in place so that you can keep in touch with the people that you attract to your business. You want to be able to keep in touch with the people that you attract to your business so that you can send them an email and say, hey, I noticed that you came to my site, you viewed my information, did you have any questions, is there something I can help you with? What's holding you back from pulling the trigger? Like, what's the disconnect? Is there some fear there? What's going on? Is it the cost of the course? Because I do have buy here, pay later. I have Klarna. I have PayPal. I have Apple Pay. I have all the buy here, pay later stuff. So you have it all. It's all out there. And so will you when you set up your payment system. You'll be able to offer all of those things to your customers as well. I'm Coach TamaraDarice, Transform 180 with digital product marketing. You cannot go wrong with purchasing this from me. You're getting so much. It's almost like, girl, what are you doing? But I am a giver. And so go on over to my website and check it out. Blessings.